First software is Eclipse. Why we need Eclipse? Because in order to write the scripts, it will be used as an editor. And second one is Java programming language. Java, it is the inbuilt libraries are used. As you know, Java is a programming language. The source software is Selenium libraries like Selenium standalone server, Selenium Java language bindings, Internet Explorer, driver server, Chrome driver server. These are all much needed. Okay, Selenium standalone server, when you are using distributed testing like Selenium Grid, it is useful. And since we are using WebDriver, all the inbuilt libraries will be there in Selenium Java language bindings. And in order to automate the scripts on IE, I will write it here. In order to automate the scripts on IE, Internet Explorer, we want to download a driver explicitly called as Internet Explorer driver server. It is an executable. And in the same way, if you want to execute the scripts on Chrome, you need to download explicitly a Chrome driver executable. These are the things which you need to download in your system as an initial part. Before doing all these things, you need to know what is the bit version of my system. Okay, bit length of my system. What you need to do is go to my computer, right click on PC and click on properties. Now I would like to show you, if you want to go to computer, you need to press start button. I mean to say Windows plus E shortcut, so that you will be navigated to short screen. Okay, I am now pressing Windows plus E. I have navigated to the start my computer page. Here, if you are able to see, this PC is available to me. Right click on it and you are able to see the properties. Click on the properties. You will be seeing the bit length here. Mine is 64-bit operating system. You need to see these things in order to find the computer bit length. Okay, I would like to show you one more time. Windows plus E. This PC, right click on properties. You are able to see the operating bit length. My system operating bit length is 64-bit. Some systems operating system is 32-bit. And once you check that, you need to go to Eclipse website. I would like to give the link so that you can download from your side. This is the official site of Eclipse download. I would like to paste in the chat for you as well as here. This is the download link. Previously, as I said, there is two types of bit lengths. One is 32-bit, one is 64-bit. If you need to download, if your operating system is 64-bit, you need to click on this button 64-bit and you need to click on this download. Automatically, the download has been started. You can click on here or you can click on here. Okay, I would like to show one more time for you. Go to this website which I have placed in chat and click on this Declan 64-bit. You will be navigated to this site and there is two downloads. You can either click on this button or you can either click on this button so that automatically Eclipse will be downloaded as a zip file. Okay. And now let me go ahead and show you about Java installation. There is a component called JDK. We need to download it, which consists of two parts. One is JDK and the JRE component, Java Runtime Environment. You need to go to this site. I would like to paste the same in the chart. And same as here. Automatically an exe file, .exe file will be downloaded. As I said, you need to go to this site. Once you have went to this site, you have navigated to this site, you will be seeing Java SC Development Kit 8. Now the latest version is 8 and you need to click on accept license agreement which is there here, and once you clicked on it, based upon your operating bit length, in your operating system is Windows, you need to click on this link if it is 64-bit. If it is 32-bit, you need to click on this link. Automatically, the software will be downloaded. It is an executable. Just double click on it and click on next, next, next and finish. If you want, I request you to read the information. If you are in a hurry, just click next, next and at the last finish. prompt for installation window. Click next until you will get finish button. Make sure all the previous things are default. Click on finish button so that Java installation is done from your side. Like in the system Java is installed. How to see whether Java is installed in your system? There is two ways. You need to go to verifying Java installation. You need to go to my computer. I mean to say you need to press Windows plus E. After that you need to go to C drive and program files x86 and press J. If you can find Java, it's okay. I can't find in this. I need to go to program files and yeah, there is Java, and you need to see whether JDK 1.8 folder is displayed here or not. I'd like to give the path of my JDK so that you can verify on your system, and you can let me know on tomorrow's class.
So you're
And
going to send us this notepad file, right?
installed, and after that what we need to do is we need to set the environment variable in order to access Java from any folder. Any folder in the sense, suppose Java is there here, we can access, but if you want to run the program from other folders like D folder, E folder and F folder, we need to set into an environment variable. Let me explain you how to set an environment variable. Right click on my PC and click on properties. You will be seeing advanced system settings. Okay, let me write the same for you, steps for you. Right click on my PC, click on properties, click on advanced system settings. Okay, you need to click on advanced system settings so that you will be seen one box. Are you able to see the environment variables? We need to set it here. Okay, let me write the same steps. Click on environment variables. Once you click on environment variables, there is two types of paths which is there. Initially, you need to click on new and place Java underscore home, and in the value up to here you need to copy, like after entering into it, just after entering into it, you need to copy. Okay, where you need to do? You need to do in the user variables initially. Okay, let me write the same. Click on new, enter name in capital letter Java underscore home, enter value up to the JDK, the just home path. Okay, this is user variables. After that, you need to go to like this. You need to enter, see my Java home, and up to the path you need to enter and click on OK. And likewise you need to go to path. Here in the system variables, type P so that you will get path. If you need to edit, double click on it, just double click on it, it will open. Go to the end by pressing right arrow, you will be getting to the end, and place a colon and place up to this path Java Go to this. Go to the into the bin folder and take the bin. You can see java.exe file is there in the bin folder. That's why in the path we need to set by a semicolon. You need to place here. This is how it works. Okay, like what we need to do is you need to go to system variables, search for path value, path variable, edit by double clicking on it, place a semicolon, that means this one at the end, and paste the value like this. Up to bin you want to paste and click on OK, click on OK. Once you have done this, you have successfully configured the environment variable. Okay, but how to verify? There is some commands to verify whether Java is configured correctly. Previous thing is installation, but this thing is configuration. Let me explain. We need to open command prompt. How to open? Windows plus R, run, and type CMD and click on OK. You will get command prompt. Go to run or shortcut Windows plus R and type CMD. You will be seen. Type CMD and click on OK. You will be seen command prompt. Command prompt will look like this, and there are the commands. Java C is the command which is used to compile the Java files. Let me write Java C and enter. And if you can find this number of arguments, you can say that Java is installed or configured. And you can type one more command called Java, enter. And if you are able to see these things, that means Java is correctly installed or configured in your system. If it is not installed or configured, you will get an error called Java is not recognized as internal or external command. You will get to see the arguments. Otherwise, if you are given to see the argument so that it is successfully configured. Otherwise, if it is not successfully installed, you will get Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, this is how you can see that Java is installed in your system and Eclipse is installed. Eclipse automatically, if Java is there, automatically it is an executable. Okay, easily we can run it. And let's go to how to download Selenium libraries. We need to navigate to one site called as seleniumhq.org. Okay, let me go to that site also. You need to go to download and take this link. I would like to copy the link here. Once you went to here, you have two options. One is this Selenium standalone server. You need to click on here. This is a Selenium standalone server which is used at the time of using Selenium grid component. If you need to download, you need to click on this Selenium version 2.47.1. Okay, this is the Selenium link. Okay, if you just click on it, automatically the software will be downloaded. This is the first thing. And the second thing is the bit length IE. As I already said, if you are using 64-bit, you can click on this link. If you are using 32-bit Windows IE, you need to click on this link. Okay, and once you are finished these things, you need to download Java Selenium client WebDriver language bindings. You need to click on this Java. Since we need to download Java, you need to click on this download button so that automatically it will be downloaded. It is in .zip extension. Okay, I will show you what is the extensions for you. This is .jar extension, Java archive, and this will be downloaded with .zip extension and this is executable and this is also executable. Okay, as I already said, you initially download this link and after that Windows IE driver. After that language bindings, click on this download button so that WebDriver language bindings will be downloaded. And after that, you need to click on Google Chrome driver. Okay, where you need to see, just scroll down. You are able to see third-party drivers, Google Chrome driver. Click on this link so that you will be seeing some things. Since we are using Windows-based operating system, if we click on this Chrome driver underscore bin32.zip, automatically the software will be downloaded. There is no 64-bit version of Chrome. As of now, there is only 32-bit driver. Okay, you need to download it. Okay, these are, and you will get one doubt, where is, if I want to automate on Firefox driver, where is it? You have downloaded Selenium Java language bindings at the Safari driver, Firefox driver. All these drivers are integrated with this package itself. If you want to run on these browsers, you need to download explicit driver files. Okay, this is about installations, and hope if you want to continue, you need to get these notes also so that it will be useful to you. Okay, anyways, I'm going to forward this notepad which I have written about the explanation how to download, install and configure the softwares in your laptop. I hope you can also do the same way in successful manner. If you have any issues, you can email me directly or you can WhatsApp me, you can call me anytime. I'm happy to help you. Now, I would like to ask you folks, is there any doubts in the software installation, or we can go back and see and we can get back and see the video and come back to me. Okay? Okay, folks. If type S in the chat, if you don't have any queries.
Hey Rakesh, this is Vijaya. I have a question.
Your voice is very low, Vijaya. Could you please speak louder?
Sure. Are you able to hear me now?
It's also low. Okay, you can type on chat so that I can see and answer your queries.
Sure.
Hisan, do you have any queries?
Well, the question that I have currently is all these packages in the software that you just mentioned to me, is
1
that
minute, I will
compatible with
increase my
Windows?
laptop thing also.
What's going on?
Okay, actual tell me.
Now, Rakesh, my question is, are these softwares that you just mentioned, are these compatible with Windows 8.1 or the latest version of Windows, or is there any compatibility issue as such?
Yeah, these softwares are compatible with Windows 7 and whereas Windows 8.1 also. You can see my system is Windows 8. As you can see, my system is Windows 8. So that as these are softwares are compatible in my system, these will compatible in your versions, as well as this will be compatible in your Windows 7 machine also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, when you are typing in command prompt, it is giving error, means you need to follow this procedure, environment procedure. Okay, I will send you the notes. Follow this properties, setting the environment variable so that you will not get that error. Okay, Vijaya, is it fine, Vijaya?
Rakesh, so when I'm typing Java C, the command prompt is throwing me an error, but when I type Java, it's not showing me error. I mean, it's showing the right screen that you showed me earlier when you were giving the training. So I'm not sure whether both the commands are the same thing or it's different. I've set the environment variables as you have asked us to, but I'm not sure why it's happening for Java C, but it's not happening for Java.
Okay. Anyway, see these notes and again see the video and try to do the same thing.
Okay.
If the problem persists, I will help you.
All
Okay.
right. All right. Sure.
Yeah. Any other things you would like to ask to me? Okay, folks. Yeah, that's it for the today's class. Like initial session, it will be more like what are the softwares you need to install, because so many students which I see, they feel problem in downloading and installing the softwares. That's why I make the first session as like that in order to make you people comfortable for the class. Make sure you'll be having downloading all the softwares and make sure to download, and possible if there is some softwares to install, like Java is the only software to install. Okay, please install in your system. And if you face any problems, I would like to request you to see more and more videos on installing Java. Anyways, I have showed now, because exploring is the best objective for a person. More and more exploration, you'll get more and more knowledge. Anyways, I am there with you, no problem at all. We can continue the classes at the same time tomorrow at 8 o'clock. See you then. Bye. Bye, folks.
Bye, Rakesh.